with the other video. I'm sorry it was for so long that I haven't done a video. Okay, there we go. That took so long. What I want to do first, I have Cosmic Eclipse, another Cosmic Eclipse, and a Unified Minds. Let's do Cosmic Eclipse. Okay, let's go. Okay, Roxy, Cosmion, Verpion, Hardly, Togedemaru, Usury, Pignite, Sandslash, Great Catcher, Sack2, no, Whaler, Quirkinid, Pikachu. The thing I'm trying to get is Charmander. Right. Braviary. Okay. Ponyta. Sandshrew. Second Embraceman. Gelmice. Kaigure. Dueling. Jolteon. Eevee. Entei. Reverse Hollow Braviary. And a Next is Cosmic Eclipse. Okay. Cosmic Eclipse. Whatever. Braviary. I know, Azurill. Sandygast. Meowth. Jolteon. Jangmo-mo-mo-mo. Kaigure. Eevee. Entei. Flebe. Pandro, Howinder, Pikachu, Sandshrew, Whaler, Braviary, Ponyta, Rockruff, Magikarp, Togedemaru, Sandslash, Vaporeon, Usury, Pignite, Reverse Hollow Pikachu. Great, a Florgrass. Please tell me this is the one.
Yeah, bro. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Victini. Jewel. Fraxu. Goodbye. Bibria. Temperate, Perleon, Litwick, Onyx, Dragonite, Lucario, Tranquil, Salazzle, Sneasel, Achoo, an upside down Cubone. What is he doing upside down? Nivoria, Metadragon, Taurus, Fletchinder, Scraggy, Salandit, Reverse Hollow Scorpio. Yeah! A Nagdo, Coldio, and a Dragonite! Ouch. Finally!
Oh!
Yes. Yes! But thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Guys, have a nice video. Nagdo out.